Hello and welcome to the folding tutorials for Bayonet. This plane looks pretty aggressive. It also has another wings-like kind of silex drone. As it flies really well, you need to give it a medium power throw in order to fly. It flies really nicely for you. You'll hold it at this edge here. And without further ado, let's see this plane in flight. Then I'll teach you how to hold it. 3, 2, 1.
All you will need in order to fold Bayonet is an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. But if you
All you need is an 8.5 11 inch or paper or A4. I'm using A4 paper right now, so this is okay. And if you have the template, make sure to orient yours. So let's start by folding from the left edge to the right edge. And put this one straight crease. Unfold. Go from the top edge to the center crease in order to form a point. It's like one half. This is like half triangles, which forms as one point in the middle to make a triangle. Then flip this around and fold from this side here to here. Make sure you need to release those out that's in the pocket and make from this crease here to here. But you need to escape this layer. Okay, I'll show you a closer look. Make sure you need to go from this side here to here. Here. You don't have to put a pinch crease, but I want to show you this. So it's from this line here to here, but you need to release this layer out. Like go from here to here. Push this layer out, and if this layer is out, go from this crease here to here to the center crease. Layer flat. Do the same thing for the other side. This is very similar to sniper. One here and there. Another step. And then the next step that you need to do is to go from this point here all the way to the crease here. It's like similar to the water bomb base, but it's very different. The shape here is very different. It's very similar to the water bomb base, but these creases are here to help you. Remember that this is an intermediate paper airplane. Go from here and do the same thing on the other side. There. And then you can put this up here like a water bomb base if you know how to. Or you can put this in front. But for this video, I'm gonna flip this over and go from the top edge here to the bottom, which is just right for the intersection to pass. Or maybe I'll grab out a pen for you to show. Okay, I'll just grab a pencil. This is the two layers over here, and this here is the intersection, as you may see. Just fold from the top edge to the bottom edge, and there you have your intersection. My one doesn't look exact, so you don't have to worry. Now we have these intersections. Fold these two here, but this one here is to help. So fold these two in the same time. You see this point here, then you close it shut and squash and slack out the layers of that bubble. There. And your plane should look like this. Then we're gonna go. There's one thing for this. There is one. You can make your nose shape in two different ways. The first way is you have to go from here to here. I'm using the same paper for the other one. Then we'll put this open until you go from this side here to here. This is the breaking point of the layer. So put this to the maximum where it goes. And go from here to here. This is the first thing of the lock, which is supposed to be correct for the lock. We need to lock this thing up. The wonder that's an intermediate plane for you. Here. The second one is that you can open this up, flip this to, and open this up. This is another one, but even longer. I'll just go with this style of this is the first step that I'm doing, the style of it. And all you need left is to tuck the whole thing. It's like this. Then there's a bayonet. But first, there is a very tricky step to lock this thing together. If you can't, you can just use Scotch tape. I already locked my nose here. Fold this here. I don't really know how to fold the nose of bayonet. So I'll just fold this here. Put that point there. Put this whole slack in. And put a little bit of tape onto this corner. There. There you have this bayonet, which gives it its name. And all you do left, it does not fly and it twists and turns. All you need to do left is to go to this orientation here. Make sure to keep this straight. Go from this edge here to the center crease. Unfold and do from this crease here to here. Unfold. Do the same thing on the other side. Here. Finish. Then wrap these two layers up. Then put this crease here. Then open this up. Then make sure to shape it in this angle. Okay. Then you need to shape these two into this angle. I'll just show you again. Take these two into the form of this angle. The angle, you need to make this angle look nice, like this. Then it'll fly well. Or else this potassium will cause drag and will cause the plane to dive. Yeah, as you see in this picture here, like this. Then this here. Don't care about the nose because I'm settling it. Make sure to make this slant like this, and this slant and straight. Here, they should make yours like this. Then flip it over, hold this thing like this. And there, you got yourself a pretty bayonet. As this may seem to the other version. And these two here. This is very good and flies efficiently. As the first time you may see, it drops without climbing at all. So all you need for this is to grab a little bit of up elevator at the sides. So that means you need to put up elevators here and here. Apparently the photos fly empty, so you're not actually supposed to do that. But I don't know. Maybe you need to put up elevators. Yeah, this in my video. I'll just put it. Then there. See, you have a finished bayonet. Let's see this in the test flight.
Phew.
If you see this going down, you need to bend the back edges up a little bit more.